31st week development of the baby during pregnancy. Let's begin with the height of the baby. Last week the baby's height was around 15.5 inches, while this week the baby's height would be around 16 inches. Coming to the weight of the baby, last week baby's weight was around 1600 grams, while this week in week 31 the baby's weight would be around 1750 grams. Now the baby is little more than half the size it would be at birth. It has also started shedding lanugo, the soft fine fuzzy hair, and the eyebrows and eyelashes have started filling in. The baby is also going through a major brain and nerve development. All 5 of the baby's senses are working now. Its irises react to light. The baby processes information and can even smell, though there's not much to smell in there. As fat continues to build up under the skin, the baby will gain weight much more quickly. The digestive tract and lungs are almost mature, and the lungs are able to inflate properly at this point, producing surfactant to help prevent the collapse of the lungs after birth. The baby's ears are fully developed and it can hear everything inside the womb. It can hear mom's heartbeat, breathing, can listen to music and also to voices of others. The baby's toenails and fingernails are fully developed and it can also scratch itself inside the womb. Amniotic fluid is extremely important at this point. The baby is swallowing and urinating up to half liter a day. If there's too much amniotic fluid in the sac, it could mean the baby isn't swallowing properly and could have gastrointestinal problems. If there is too little amniotic fluid, it could mean the baby isn't urinating properly and could have kidney problems. The size of your belly helps the doctor determine whether there is a problem. If there is a discrepancy between the size of your belly and the stage you have reached in your pregnancy, the doctor may order an ultrasound to see what's going on. You may now notice and feel that the baby is quiet for longer periods of time. This is because he is sleeping for longer hours now. It is probably resting for birth, and so should you. The development of baby at week 32. Let's begin with the height and the weight of the baby. Last week in week 31, the baby's height was around 16 inches, while this week in week 32, the baby's height would be around 16.5 inches. Coming to the weight of the baby, last week baby's weight was around 1750 grams, while this week baby's weight would be around 1800 grams. Now, by week 32, the baby's energy levels are going to go down, and the reason for this is that the baby has grown and it has less space to move about. Beneath the skin is a layer of fat, and although it still relies on the umbilical cord for nourishment, its digestive tract is almost fully developed. Fetal brain scans show that babies in this week have rapid eye movements, which may also mean that they are dreaming. Now this week, though you may feel that you are a couple of weeks away from the due date, in many ways you and your baby are ready for the early arrival just in case it happens. The baby by now must have also turned itself in the head down position, and if not, it will do so in the next few days. And if it still does not, you may have to go in for the cesarean section. Babies mostly have a good chance of surviving if born at 32 weeks. The brain is continuing to develop, so eating properly is still very important. The umbilical cord is coated with a gelatinous substance to protect it from kinks and knots when the baby turns and twists. The baby's skeleton is completely formed by now, but the bones are still soft and flexible. Although the lungs won't be fully developed until just before birth, the baby is busy inhaling amniotic fluid to exercise its lungs. The baby's skin is becoming soft and smooth as it fattens up in preparation for birth. Many babies have a lot of hair by now, and many babies have less hair. But having more hair does not mean that the baby will have thick hair later in life. Baby has also developed a sleeping pattern of around 20 to 40 minutes, and you may find this quite disturbing at times. But do not worry, as the countdown has already begun and there are very few days to go. 33rd week development of the baby during pregnancy. Let's begin with the height and the weight. Last week baby's height was around 16.5 inches, while this week baby's height would be around 17 inches. Last week baby's weight was around 1800 grams, while this week baby's weight would be around 1900 grams. The baby's arms and legs are now perfectly proportioned to the rest of the body. The baby's eyes are wide open when it is awake, and the baby is going through major brain development. The baby starts to coordinate breathing with sucking and swallowing. This is quite difficult for the baby as it requires precise group of muscle movements. Baby's skin gradually becomes less red and wrinkled as fat continues to develop underneath the skin. Bones too continue to harden except for the skull. The reason the skull does not harden is that it needs to remain flexible and soft in order to travel through the birthing canal. The lungs continue to mature and the baby is continuing to practice its breathing patterns for life outside the womb. You may also notice that the baby sleeps more often than before. The kicks, turns and the punches may also be a little painful now as the baby has less space than before as it is growing. It's not that the baby is moving more than before. 34th week development of the baby during pregnancy. Let's begin with the height and the weight. Last week baby's height was around 17 inches, while this week baby's height would be around 17.5 inches. Last week baby's weight was around 1900 grams. This week baby's weight would be around 2000 grams. As we have been watching since past few weeks, fat continues to build up underneath the baby's skin. And the baby is going to need all these layers of fat to regulate its body temperature. The baby's fingernails are growing and most of the organs are almost fully matured with the exception of the lungs. The facial features are very distinct at this point, with the fat filling in and giving the baby a more matured facial characteristics. The baby is also getting hiccups, which is normal. Also, as the uterine and abdominal walls stretch and thin, more lights reach the womb, causing the baby to open and close its eyes. This also helps the baby in knowing day from night. By now, the baby's hearing would have almost been developed. So if you have not yet started talking to your baby, please start doing so now. Do go ahead and sing a lullaby to your baby. It is said that the baby would recognize the songs mom sings to it now, and these would soothe the baby more easily once it is outside. The baby will continue to grow as days go by. 35th week development of the baby during pregnancy. Let me first congratulate you as you have stepped into the 35th week. That means if at all the baby is to be born now, there would be minimum complications. Coming to the height and weight of the baby, last week baby's height was around 17.5 inches. This week baby's height would be around 18 inches. Last week baby's weight was around 2000 grams. This week baby's weight would be around 2500 grams. Now, though your baby may be ready with its head down position to come into this world, its skull is still fairly soft and not completely fused as it has to pass through the birth canal. Though most of the development is complete, the baby would continue to plump up and put on weight. The baby's liver is functioning and producing waste on its own, and the kidneys are also fully matured. You would continue to feel kicks as the space inside the amniotic sac continues to shrink. The soft, fine, fuzzy hair called lanugo begins to disappear, but fine vellus hair begins to grow to replace it. The baby has full-length fingernails and toenails. Its hearing is also fully functional now and it responds best to high-pitched sounds. It would, however, be a good idea and it would also be fun if you talk to your baby regularly so that it recognizes your voice. This was all I had to tell you about the 35th week development of the baby during pregnancy. See you soon again with the 36th week development of the baby in Celebrate Life, Celebrate Pregnancy. Given below is our email ID. Do send in your queries and feedback to us. Also, do subscribe to our channel. Breathe, chill, relax. Thanks for watching.